Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make coconut oil at home manually. Please stay tuned. These are the coconuts I'll be using. I'll be using just 2 for the tutorial video. I'll go ahead and break them, separate them from the back, and whisk them with warm water. Now that the coconuts are clean, I'll cut them into pieces and pound them. You can use your blender, you can use a mortar and pestle, but I'll be using this rolling pin for baking. And I'll go ahead and smash them into pieces. After pounding, we'll add water, not cold water, hot water, and we will squeeze out the milk. Then I'll separate the milk from the chaff. You can use a pair of old stockings or a sieve. Now that I've separated the milk from the chaff, then we'll turn the milk into a nylon, a transparent nylon. Since we won't be using a refrigerator, we'll be turning it into the nylon, then keep it for about 3 hours. After 3 hours, you can see that the oil has settled on top, and then under the oil, coconut water is light. We'll be needing the thicker one on top and not the light one, so I'm going to be separating them. Then I'm going to turn the thick part into my pot and put it on fire with low heat, and then we'll stir and keep stirring until we get our desired result. Now this is what your coconut should look like before you take it out of the fire. So I'm going to go ahead and sieve the oil and put it in my container, and it's ready to use. This is what my coconut oil is looking like. This is the final result. You can use it on your skin, on your hair, or for cooking. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. Please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.